Welcome to Moms Every Day, helpful hints for a happier home.
Thank you for joining us for Moms Every Day. Today we are in South College Station at Gold Star Pharmacy, and Dr. Oben is here to talk to us a little bit about diabetes and managing the disease. How serious is this disease?
Diabetes affects about 28.1 million Americans, so it's pretty prevalent in this country, and it has some pretty serious ramifications if not properly managed.
Now, luckily here at Gold Star Pharmacy, you actually have a management program. Tell us a little bit about that.
Exactly. At Gold Star, we offer a program called Diabetes Shop, and what we do is we help patients manage the disease, from medication management to teaching them how to take their blood sugar, to teaching them what to look out for, side effects. We manage the whole disease here at Gold Star.
And if it's not taken care of, what are some of the implications?
It could be pretty serious. Diabetes is a leading cause of blindness. It could cause amputations. It increases hospitalizations. So it could have some pretty serious side effects if not properly managed.
And are there some symptoms, if parents are not aware of the disease, what is some signs they should be looking for? Exactly.
They could either have low blood sugar, which would cause things like feeling cold, clammy, or high blood sugar, which could cause them to be lethargic, sweaty, frequent urination, they're always thirsty, things like that is what we look out for.
And it really can affect anyone of any age, correct?
Exactly. You have juvenile onset, which affects children where they cannot make enough insulin, or type 2 diabetes, which affects more adults where they make insulin but their bodies are resistant to it.
All right. Dr. Oben, it sounds like if anyone has any questions, they would be in good hands to come talk to you here.
Exactly.
If you would like more information on diabetes or managing the disease, you can log on to momseveryday.com/BCS.